Alrighty, well, there's Rocky. There's his tail anyway. There it is. I got to get Rocky some chicken. I'm having a pre-work chicken feast with Rocky. Got to go to work for 11, and it is now 10:33, so I don't have a lot of time. But I'm going to get Rocky some chicken, and I too am going to eat chicken. Good stuff. Look, there you go. Look, Rocky, look. There you go, my friend. Chicken for Rocky. All right. So I work until 6, from 11 until 6. And then after that, I got to get in my truck and drive to Perth. Hopefully that fellow will show up. I'm seriously thinking I need to take down those ads, though. You know, because it's bad. It's just really bad. Anyway, there won't be any money made this trip to Perth. It'll just be to eliminate the thing. If he shows up and pays me $20, then it'll just be to eliminate those things from my locker. That's from my storage container. That's all it'll be. Oh, look. And the $20 will cover my gas to go, basically. And if he doesn't show up, then I'll be down another $20. So I'll have spent $50 on gasoline. Trying to keep my word to people who don't keep their word to me. So that's it. Anyway, it's kind of a nice day. It's a little windy. Oh, flies. The flies are out, of course. They want to come and lay their eggs in my chicken. Anyway, that's it. I got to get ready to go. Rocky and I will see y'all later.